guys, Aaron from the Helmet Center here. I just wanted to show off this really cool new helmet. It's called Covert FX from Scorpion, and this is a newer model they came out with. And also, same with the graphic. It's one of the newer graphics for this model. It looks like a traditional, like sugar skull kind of thing almost. But these are really great because they're fiberglass. They have a 5-year warranty since they're Scorpion. They come with 2 shields, so it's really cool because you basically just line up a triangle right there. When you lift the shield up halfway, pull it out and pop the other one in really quick. It's super easy. And with the airflow, they trimmed it up and made it really flush and seamless by adding the switch on the inside instead of having it on the outside. So it looks really nice. And it's fiberglass, so you know if you get this, you're actually getting something that'll protect you. It's not just a cheap helmet. So just want to show it off. It's really cool, I think.